As I promised, is video 2, going to show you the ground floor and the basement. Currently here, let's go inside. So, on the other video you'll see, this was the meter cupboard, it still is, but it was also the consumer units in here as well. The customers had a brand new 3-phase supply. We've got 3 meters, ground floor, first floor, second floor. We're waiting for 2 new meters, which is a landlord's meter for the communal areas, and also one for the basement. So let's walk around, I'll show you exactly what we've done. So originally, the staircase, so have a nice look at the staircase. This nice feature here, that used to be all plasterboarded off. And this ground floor flat door used to be here, just there on that angle. So you open that flat door, you walk through there, and you could get access to the basement. But the basement has not been open for years, it's been painted shut, and it was used by the old landlord for storage because there was an external door. So let's walk in, as you can see here. So you walk now into your main flat door. A nice big lounge. We've just had the carpet starting to be refitted because we've had to do the sound test. We're putting tech sound down, we put acoustically. I might do a video on that as well. So this is still a 1 bed, but you walk through, nice and big. And the kitchen is through there. I'll turn the camera on, give you a look. So this is the kitchen. You'll see exactly what we've got to put down. We've had to put down this acoustically, which is like a heavy rubber matting. Underneath that we put a tech sound down, which is rubber matting. This is a really nice large kitchen. There used to be a massive, like an auger on the corner, really big. Taking that out, put the concrete lintel above to support the above, and a really nice kitchen. Nice and big, nice and square. And then into your bathroom. Hello everyone, sorry about that. I was going to show you the basement. I've showed you the first floor, exactly what we're doing. If you've got any questions, any comments, I've had to cut the video short because as I went out to the external, there was a drug addict trying to break in the property next door, which is one that we're doing as well. And she is an ex-offender. She's come from Foston Hall. She's ex from Leeds. She's obviously come here from Foston Hall, which is the woman's prison around here. But I had a good chat to her, see where she's at, and told her get on her way. So cut the video short. Next time on there, I'll do a video of the basement because that'll be really good to see what we've done. It was already dug out the basement, but it was dark and dingy, and I'll show you that around as well. So stay tuned. I'll show you the basement on the next one, and make sure your sites are secure. Thank you very much. See you soon.